How to make a perfect Etsy shop banner in just 1 minute. Let's dive right into it. Choose between a big Etsy shop banner which will be 3360 by 840 pixels or a mini Etsy shop banner which would need to be 1600 by 213 pixels. In Canva, click on Create a Design, Custom Size, and then enter either the big banner dimensions or the mini banner dimensions. We will go with the big banner here, 3360 by 840 pixels, create new design. Head over to Templates and search for Etsy shop banner. Now just choose one of these. If there's a crown symbol, that means they are only available for Canva Pro users. So if you're on Canva Free, choose one without it. Then simply click on an element and adjust to your liking and repeat the process. Once you're happy with the result, click on Share in the upper right corner, then click on Download, choose PNG as the file type and click on Download. That's it. You can then go to Etsy and upload your shop banner. All done. In the description of this video, you will find my free Etsy shop banner templates. There's one template for big Etsy shop banners and one template for mini Etsy shop banners, with the perfect dimensions already set. If you found this tutorial useful, please subscribe to my channel, smash the like button and hopefully see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.